In today's video, you get a special sneak peek into Jeff and I's vacation. I'm sorry it took me so long to post this video. This was actually back at the end of July. We went to visit my friends Stephen and Michael in New York City at the end of history. Amazing place, amazing people. It's really quite spectacular. And yes, this is the place where the roof caved in. We are looking around at the end of history. We got to pick out another piece.
This one's cool too, dude.
What does Jeff see? Yeah,
It's
those
a
are
Murano,
beautiful.
it's a flower. And,
it's French.
maybe it's not, but it's done in the exact same style as these guys.
Gorgeous.
So.
Ooh, this new camera is neat.
You want me to take over on the camera, dude?
Yeah, you want to take over?
Come on.
Give Jeff a tour. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm obsessed with Victorian right now. All right, well, let's start at the beginning, Jeff. I feel like you'd like that Murano.
Which one?
This one, the big teal.
Oh, yeah.
And then I love how everything's color coordinated. Look at that green jar. That's so crazy. It's a really unique shape. And then they have the yellow down here, which is gorgeous. There's a piece of yellow opaline, I think. Look at the opaline. But I actually really like the home guard with the big ball stopper. And I've never seen a matte yellow and bully. That's really crazy. That's probably Moretti. And then the best Italian and German pottery in the world.
I'm not running into anything. Try being this tall, you get some self-awareness.
Yeah, I believe that. It's amazing in here.
Tight quarters in here.
The jars. I love the jars.
Yeah, skinny up through here.
Yeah, hold your breath. Shouldn't have eaten that before we came here.
Yeah. This is how you gotta move through this place, yeah.
And then here they have all the Ringo. Well, it's mixed, but it's Ringo as well. This is really cool. What is this? What did they say? Germany, Albert Keisling. That's really neat. It's like celestial. Abstract. Down here, look at all the Potosi. I'm assuming that's Potosi. That's really neat. And I love the yellows. Man. The reds. The red lamp.
What is it?
The red lamp in there. You can barely tell it's lit up, but it is. That's so cool. Man. I love the jars though. I don't know what it is about it. Like tiny boxes and jars. Now this is like what you would call $5.
Which one is that?
The like the lion and the horses and the Potosi face. That's like super rare.
You're talking about my sunglasses that I hit up here?
Now I really like the pinks and the oranges. Yeah. The pink and the orange I feel like are the hardest to find. And then I love this check set, that's so fun. That check. Frank, oh, excuse me. I only see the poor man's check, but that's so funny. Yeah, I love that.
What you looking at?
This, it looks like the check set, but it's French, so it's nicer. This is crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like that. Those are gorgeous.
I love these paperweight things. I think they're cool.
That's so funny. I love that you love that.
He's got a bunch of them.
Yeah.
He said, look at this one.
This is a crazy one.
Yeah.
That's the coolest.
Yeah, I do like it.
I made it.
Yeah, you did.
While I was in Italy.
That's your signature on it.
That's so funny. Nice. Sweet.
It's overwhelming what they call it.
It is overwhelming.
When I walked in here, I didn't know what was happening.
Yeah, no, it's very overwhelming.
I think the lamp is cool.
Yeah, I love
The biggest
lamp.
piece of glass they got in.
It's funny, you like that lamp. I like the orange lamp, of course. This is just crazy.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see
I
this.
would have to have a robe made of ostrich feathers to have a lamp like this in my home.
Of course. I didn't even see this one.
Yeah, the only way you can have a lamp like that is to have a full-length ostrich feathers robe. Well, there was another piece
So a
that
bunch of rare color in here too. This color is
yeah,
this wine type of shade and
and
stuff.
with me too.
The jar is cool
Yeah.
in that color.
Yeah.
And the baby candy. They got a couple of giant pieces.
With me too. Yeah. Just piece, I believe. The stickers. That adds everything to it. They're original stickers. I think they're elegant. It's gorgeous.
Barbini is my favorite of all the Milano.
It's funny, and I see it differently.
Yeah, that's great stuff. And when we opened in 1997, we used to like that.
It's perfect for all my tiny things. And I just wanted to share my special jar that I picked out, as well as a special cat from my dear friends, Stephen and Michael. Hi. Hi.
We are at the Coney Island Freak Show Circus Sideshow Experience.
slits and slats, which we'll explain momentarily, and these viewing windows that might also come in handy. But it is not the ornate lid, or the beautiful mural, or the getaway wheels that make this box special. It is what's inside the box. Would you like to see what's inside the box?
Train.